Oops. Hold on, wrong window. Give me a second. Wrong window. Alright, there we go. Hi! So, normally this would be the Minecraft stream. But, I haven't done anything since the last Minecraft stream. Which I said I would build a moss farm. So, if I were to stream Minecraft today, it would just be the moss farm and, like, half an hour of traveling back and forth from my base. So I figured a better thing to do. Let's update my Minecraft mods. You know, the one thing I complain about. I have been finding some solutions, I guess. So yeah. You watch Toy Story 5? Does it have Deltarune reference? Let's have some music, hold on. the Gaster appear in Toy Story 5. The Delta Rods. Alright. Anyway, so I have this. Thanks for the 15 beats, the epicness. So I found this template, the multi-loader template, which allows me to use one code base for all Minecraft loaders. Stop importing, I don't want you to import. There's a very good chance, by the way. There's a very good chance that IntelliJ uses too much memory and crash my entire stream. So be prepared for that. It'll probably happen at least once in the stream. The reason is only one is because I would either just not stream anymore after that, or I can do more. Anyway, so I want to apply this template. I have a plan. I have a kind of plan today. I want to apply the multi-loader template to my single loader mod. And then after that, I want to use Stonecutter. Don't switch to tab, please. Seems a mess here. And I want to use Stonecutter, which allows multi-versioning. So if I can set this up correctly, then I will have a much better time developing mods. And since it seems like every time I stream, I can solve any problems within 2 hours if I'm streaming. So we are streaming this. You know, may as well solve cure cancer. Should do that one time. Alright, let me think what I should do first. This is here. I need to new branch from this multi-loader. some mass here. I need to be very careful with my memory usage. It's currently at 58%. You wanna see what is eating up stuff? OBS is eating 3.4 gigs. Alright, so multi-loader. Ban some. Wow, we banning some here. She's good. Alright, let me just download this. Whatever. Samasha is taking all aesthetic. Where's my stuff? My download folder is a mess right now. Multi-loader template. Let's extract this. And I think I'm just gonna replace everything here. Having Tigra take her job. No. Let me see. Grado. Just paste here. Replace everything. Overwrite. Don't import yet. Stop. Alright, the next thing is to move source into common. Slime house. Nah. Stop being so mean to Zamasia, she's just trying. Alright. Alright, also, the Matilda template is missing Forge in the latest version. Somehow. So I have to find it. I am not very good at Gradle, not gonna lie. I'm not really a big Java developer. So, yeah. I need this. Let's look at how this is configured. Mixing, blah blah blah. You look for SS transformer if it exists. Da, da, da. Stuff here, stuff there. Okay. Alright, let's just put source into common first. Then we see how this goes. And I need to update all of this again. Alright, prepare for running out of memory. K-Fans Bible. She ain't trying hard enough. You know what? Every attack you throw at Zamasia is basically attacking me as well. You ever think about it? Alright, anyway. Mod name Autofish. Let's go for everyone. If we successfully make this, then it will be available for every version. So, yeah. I would want that. You didn't think about that. Zamasia, you alright? Our RAM usage is at 71%. I think that is a really high chance this crash might happen. Okay, it's down to 65. That's a multi-line. There we go. Our conversion rate, we won't change that yet. I wrote Zamasia. Just only me. I'm the only one who wrote Zamasia. There was no AI involved. Alright. Anyway, it's importing now. Seems like it's doing its thing. Settings include this. I should get the forged one as well. Fine, I'll download it. Annoying. But you know, title up the stream. Suck it up! I'm telling myself. Why did I download the same thing again? That I meant to do this version. Is that Forge on any other version? Wonder. No, Forge is just gone after 21.11. Where am I going to? GitHub is so slow. Maybe because my CPU usage is also high as hell. That may affect my audio quality. I apologize if it's bad. If it's like stuttering every second or something. Grab this. Alright, now you learn how they include that. Forge. Build Gradle. Mod name Forge. No dependency on Forge version. Oh, here. I'm just blind. It happens. Whee! Some work trust. Probably time. Forge version here. 26 is 65, I think. Last I checked. Okay, 5.0.1. Okay. Let me yoink this entire thing. $65. Forge version exists now. Do I still have the MDK extracted? No, because I'm dumb. Let's get one of these then. Who is Mari? He goes to Marsha, gets the Mari. Who is Mari? Okay, Forge MDK. Build Dog Rado. Play Omori. Yeah, I forgot I should play that. Let's see. Forge Grado is this version now. And then we have Mixing Power. That's whatever. And after that we include Forge here. Alright, now prepare to crash my... Okay. Something's wrong. For mixing version was not found in any of the foreign sources. As we are probably missing the repository, I would assume. Let's read this again. With major spoilers if you tell me what you're talking about. Yeah, so don't. Build is just this. Settings. Repository. Gradle plugin portal. Maven Central. Exclusive stuff. For repository, fabric here. Filter. The fabric stuff. That doesn't matter. Exclusive content, Sponge, and Forge. I think we need these two. Now prepare for crash. Okay. Something else is wrong today. Still line 4 here. Sponge mixing, it's broken. It's broken. Wow, I already added that for you. It doesn't look like Pearl. It surely doesn't. Cannot create an instance of mixing extension. Could not generate a decorated class for type mixing extension. Let's apply plugin. Jar manifest mixing config. Maybe well, I don't need mixing, so I should probably ignore that. Just remove the block. Any more mixing stuff. Annotation processor. Okay, so delete this. Delete these. Delete this. Press button. Explode. Okay, not set unknown property. Copy ID resource for stuff. Alright, I'll read the MDK. I guess. Well, you're annoying. You don't even have that. That's not even real. You use configure each. I should just use these, I think. If there's file, use that. Runs, between runs. There's no kernel scripting. Replace this with root project. Wait, more ID. What is root project name? Oh god. Oh god. Stop. Register client stuff. Syntax is a bit different, a new version, so we have to update all of those. Ideal error has occurred. We're still sitting at 65%. SS transformer there. Publishing is really not needed for me. But if it don't crash me, then I'll leave that in. Kind of have Maven Central. I don't know what I'm doing. Not gonna lie. Fine, I'll add this here. Press the button and hope it works. It doesn't. Cannot find method Minecraft for arguments. This, an object. Oh my god. I don't know how you include it. It's freaking implementation now. Oh, this is gonna be one hell of a problem. Now, Because if on a different version, it's imported differently, I think. So stop being wrong. If I component for argument, then be gone. I don't need publishing. No way, I just got that right. Infinite amount of fumbling. It doesn't compile, I guarantee you. Alright. So we have something now. Now we just need to hook up everything else. Rename this. So we have common here.
8 a.m. 8 a.m.
Oh yeah, sorry for starting stream late. I was very EP. Went to my friend's house again for board games. This time with an extra friend. It was so much fun. I'm gonna rename this. It's about time. So we need a platform everyone implements. How does that go in? Services. I platform helper. Lower surface for the environment. Okay. Let's add that. Platform. Surfaces. This is a class. High integral. Constant is Minecraft constant, not there yet. Do this from autofish blocker. Okay, and then we need a few platforms for hooking stuff. On key inputs. Does this still work? Hell not. Key mapping. Actually, it does. Alright, let me think about how I do this. I can kind of just init this already. That would be a better choice that I take. Do this. Like that. And the register will be laid, will be platform helper. I don't think it needs anything other than the functions I want. Okay. No annotation? No annotation. Good. So we have a public static iPlatform helper. Platform equals load iPlatform class. Right, that's how you do it. Final, whatever. So now we have that. There are quite a few things to hook up to. Integra and Shopee. I should write a custom config reader, because this is heavily dependent on Forge and NeoForge. Fabric is not being catered. Okay. The other ones are still in example mode, which is not what I want. Let's do Forge first, because since we have Forge stuff already. Medium package number 3. Notch. Autofish. What are the names so you call Shopee? Her name's Clax. Come on, man. Alright, we named this Autofish Forge. Yes, her name is Clax. Was invoked by Forge mod loader when it's ready. I note that. And when that happens, I register keybind. Register key mappings events. Guys, I'm having so much fun. Okay, we have events. So then we just register everything from keybinds. Copy all this actually. Before it was Clef. Before it was Shopee, yeah, run! Okay, so keybind is registering here. Then, how does one register Fabric keybind? It's the question. We name this to Autofish Fabric. Client mod initializer. No? Alright, fine. Let me learn. Fabric keybind. More than key mappings. Create a key mapping. Create a category, which we did. Key mapping helper. Where should I put it? Initialize. Register key mapping. Then the same stuff. Key binds. Rock protect auto replace settings item filter. Alright. So there's fabric. And then Neo Forge is here. Oh, we have the good thing. Auto fish Neo Forge. Ethan bus. Not like this. At listener class event type. Yeah, you get imported, please. Thank you. Okay, and then we just use the same thing as Forge. Okay, that's one thing done. Key by now has no error, except remove this. Good. Alright, now we have big handler. Whee! Guess I'll have to manually put all this as the thing. What am I programming? A Minecraft mod. Tech event is missing. That's so bad. How many things I need to polyfill? Let's see. Not that much, just a player. And the side. Side I can just filter out there. So I can just add player to that. I probably don't need this syntax anymore. On key input. Final player. And remember to check side later. Way to explode the marsh here. No. Forge has a really interesting mod event per subscriber. Mod event, bus event. Mod and what is this? Event bus creates blah blah blah. Fire only on logical clients. Alright, let's do a public static class. I need this to be compatible with older versions. That's why I'm doing this. More events. What is the other bus again? Bus both? Forge or mod? I see. I would say this is mod. And I think you do something like this. Subscribe fan. I think that's how you do this. Because honestly, I forgot. I should be able to do the same in Neoforge then. Fan subscriber. No, Neoforge doesn't have that. Oh, it does. Okay, you're not within mod. I see. Okay, Fabric is its own thing. So now we can hook this up as well. On player tick, we put this on pre-tick. So player pre-tick. Tick pre. Player tick. Pre. Event. And then we check side if event.side is logical or is not logical. It's not logical client side. We don't do anything. Otherwise, we call autofish handler on this to get the player. Okay. Hook more stuff up. Also the key input. Uh-oh. I forgot. Input events. Okay. Forgot its name. Oops. Input event dot key. So then we just call this here. Sorry, I had a door frame effect just there. Then we should be able to just pull this into Neoforge as well. So it's say different names. Wait, you're telling me you have no tech events? You see how annoying this is? Player take. Living events. Do you have side? Entity events, probably up there. There's just events. Which has no side. Huh. Okay, interesting. I think I can subscribe to just clients. The target to load the events on can be used to avoid loading client-specific events on the dedicated server, for example. Since this is a client mod, I should probably do that. I will get rid of this. Player has private access. Get entity. Okay. No Chris's school in theory. No. Okay, fabric is a crazy thing. Let's see. I'm still the least familiar with fabric so far. Waiting key mapping. Register key mapping. Reacting to that, yeah, I said I need this. And client tech, client consume, okay. Client tech defense on and register clients, and then we just call the same thing on key input. Then we can collapse this. And then player tech events, client tech events, and level, and client. I need player taking. Client entity, load unload. We are on client events right now. Life cycle event, entity events. Entity event part, version 1 server player. Can I get tech? Is that tech events, Mr. Fabric? Event interaction. This is why Fabric takes so long to do anything, because it sucks. I'm sorry, but no, I don't like this. Alright, player. Not that. Should I ask AI? Let's try finding still. Fabric player tech events. Event index. Let's read this. Can entity load is when it's loaded? No. Entities. Check Elytra. Check sleep. What the heck are these events? It's so useless. Why do you even have this? Server life cycle. Fine. I guess we'll hook that into client tech. World tech. Client world tech. We want that pre, so probably start client tech. Or start world tech. Okay. And then let's see what it offers. Let's give me client world. I'm gonna assume it's world then. It's still Minecraft, it's client. I get the player, I get local player. That's actually good enough. I spelled this wrong. Lol. Okay, what error are you having? The config error. Okay. I need an item lookup. Iterate item. Oh, this is so much easier to use. Get value out L. This gives me optional reference. Item inside. Okay, then we need to fix the config later. But other than that, this is practically done. Okay, good. Very good. It's already almost an hour. Guys, we're not reaching the the 2 hours solves every problem goal. Oh no. Okay, now I need to read this thing. Static inits. Okay, we can't use this. We can't use the config spec anymore because it doesn't exist on Fabric. Thanks, Fabric. That's why you should not try to support all loaders. So far my memory is stable, luckily. Alright, let me think about this here. Okay, I'll probably replace that with primitives. Have a save function, have a load function. And I forget how to read any file in Java because I don't use Java that much. It's inconvenient. Let me see. This is my other mod, by the way. I think I have something here that loads stuff. Config. Yeah. I use JSON. Fair. I was thinking about that too. Good job, Old Northwest. I can't just do this. Auto fish. Okay, don't even need the path. Screw you. Config load. Put that in client. Initialization. Java's JSON is so clumsy. Honestly, any language's JSONs are so clumsy except Go language. Go language has such good JSON handling. Alright, these are stuff from previous I don't want. We'll take our time to rename this. Wait, what's the default? Push just those. So this is supposed to be 20. Is 0. Throw delay is 10. Check interval is 200. This can be gone. Then boolean value. Autofish. True, 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 true. Everything's true. And then the list. Filter. Give me an empty list. Prioritize. What am I using this for? This is why you should put comments in your code. I don't remember what this means. He forgot. Should I do error handling? Fine, I will do it. Because I can just completely ignore out of range error. Because it's not my problem. If it were to be out of range and crash, it's your problem. Fine, I'll be a good programmer. Now, I know a lot of people use like Leaks 5 coding for modding, but I did say personally I do mod things for fun. So yeah. So no, I'm doing this myself. Seems like it would be a good setup for the future. If I succeed, that is. Extract method. Explore the extract method using JSON from a non-surrounding. What's that mean? Huh? What's the extract method returning JSON from a non-surrounding method? But why do I want that? What good does it do for me? He just made a random suggestion here. Doesn't seem to be very helpful. Airphrase Java moment. Get as long. We have 4 of those. Validation will happen later. Four more for 4 different things. This is now ooh. Raw Protet. Auto replace. More filters. Smaller than 1, bigger than 600. Reviewing delay is 0.600. Roll delay is 5.600. Default to 10. Then lastly, checking the flow is 20 to 72,000. Default to 200. Okay. Can remove inits. This looks like a very stupid thing I'm doing here. Remove that. Pull that directly from config. Oh, I can't do this.
As always, you're a wonder.
Awesome. Oh, and there's save function. Save to here, try, blah blah blah. Don't care about that part. If exists, I don't care either. Create new file. Can I just write file.create new file? If file.exist or file create new file. Okay. So if throw save here. Is that good music? You want it louder? Had to duplicate? Yeah, it's similar because it's the same thing. What do you want me to do? Freaking IntelliJ! Excuse me? Alright, we're in delay. Do a save. This should be warning. Not worthy for an error. You are unworthy to throw an error. No! Enable filter. Oh yeah, I'm not saving the filter yet. I forgot. Oh god. What does priority do? I have that there and I don't know what it does. Alright, I need to add an array. There's an array. And directly initialize this into capacity. Add all of array. Get. That's list. Oh, that means I have to add everything one by one. Lambda. Best I can do. Filter. Save of. Okay. What's wrong with you? Add property. Add. You happy? No? Array. There we go. Maybe it works with property. No, it doesn't. It must be add if you use JSON elements. Okay. Only error is in import because we're still importing the old stuff. There you go. Now this is error free. Now this is error everywhere. You know, these aren't even the like real big deals here. The most errors should happen in the config GUI. Not gonna lie. Get? No. Okay, fix everything here for the second time. Now we deal with the big stuff, which is the screen. Everything's broken. Yippee. Actually, it's mostly imports, I think. Hey, it's not that much actually. All right. Pretty good. Pretty good then. This is getting a list of items. We can pull that from builds in. Trim to list. I mean, why not? Get value. Oh, I can directly get the value. Wait, that saves a bunch of stuff as well. Where did I do that last time? It's here. Where's my ops? Here it is. Okay, let's directly get the item once again. Get value. It's nullable, which is fine. Which means we can just check here. Stop having so many abstractions. It's always false. Didn't you say it's nullable? It's non-null? Oh. I see. Okay, maybe not then.
Bowser and his buds can't get us here, right?
Right. This will give me an optional. So we filter that. Opt is present. Then map that to the item. What's happening here? It should be fine. Here's the filter screen. This filter screen is like one of the most complex GUI I've written for this game. Get key. Okay. What the heck am I doing here? What is this? RL is no. Match mod equals RL namespace. Lowercase dot contains mod. What the actual? Oh my god! Look at this. It's so inefficient. Contains. So from the set of items, we are looking if we match mod, if we match tag, if we match arc. Which arc doesn't make sense anymore because I freaking broke it. Oh, no, it makes sense. It's getting the tags, I see. Does it give me tags? Get tags? Why do I get tags of an item? Get tag. Tag key of item. Tag key create. That's not the button. Oh god. Tag keys. Where's my stuff again? Why did I use this? Operating handler. Tag key. Get tag on empty. You want resource key. No, we don't do that. I will come back to this later. Oh, now we use prioritize here. Surrender state, prioritize, stream, searching, stream item. But we never use this. Have I ever hooked this up? Any of this return identifier? No. What does this do? I'm not exactly understanding this very well, I think. Can get the item directly. Get ID. ID. It become default value. What is bullshit? Get key or no? I think I should use this. What? It doesn't exist. This is so confusing. Get a resource key. Get ID of throw. Get a throw. I think I need to get resource key. Let's see what this does. This is nullable. This is optional. I think that would be resource key, and then we can get the identifier. There we go. Holy crap. Freaking madness. Does that mean I can do the same here for resource key, get optional. What were we getting before? I forgot already. Resource key. Get resource key, put item in. inside is a ref. No, it's a resource key of item. This seems highly inefficient.
9 a.m. 9 a.m.
I think I'm doing a lot of reverse matching here. Alright, you know what? Let me disregard that. We'll go back to optimize it later. I think the other is just turning this into config. One more? Where? One more, there's an error here. Where's it? Oh, here. Settings is nothing wrong. Surprisingly. Okay, this needs filter. Okay, this is the same thing. Honestly, I can potentially merge like 5 of these screens together. I think they're mostly the same. Okay, I'll stop myself from doing that right now. Do that later when I actually finish this. I can get or no, right? I can get optional directly. That's a lot better. Okay, and then now we're dealing with the searching thing here. I guess I did say I'm not gonna optimize it yet, so we'll do this for now. Routine get key. A resource key. I keep forgetting what's inside there. Item? Item? No, something else. It is just item. Wait, no, this gives optional, right? Yeah, this gives optional, so we need an optional here. If optional is empty, you can just add all this. Here we search for text. Get tag on it. Oh my god, stop doing stuff. Where am I here? Let's get text then. This gives me a stream. So let's collect that to an array. It gives named item. This is getting more and more confusing. Oh god. Stream name order item array item tags. There we go. Change. No. No. I can't add that. Alright, whatever. You just have to deal with the error. Item tags. Search responder. I can actually directly do this here. Since we're in a stream, can filter. Tag key. Wrap key. Tag key location. Get path contains. Okay, this is slightly confusing. I also need to do that from tag and the match. Slightly wild. You stop annoying me with the thing here. Fine, you become a list. Or maybe a set would be nicer. No, we need it to be list. I need this to be a list. What is holder? I don't get a reference of it. Why is this so annoying? I can't just pass it in. Create standalone. Maybe I'll just make this holder. Get all. I need to get all of them. Close some of the other stuff that I don't need yet. Very annoying. How did this become a stream? Maybe it's lying. Register defaulted with intrusive holder. Nice name. This is madness. Default key, blah blah. Who is your holder? Super register. Key value registration info. Oh my god. Alright. No shot I'm doing that. So let's think about this. So we're in name. Get a key here. We can do stream on this, which is an okay idea, I guess. Tag item. And just compare it like a dummy. And then we put this in the match tag. Most inefficient way to do so, I'm pretty sure. Okay, and then lastly match arcs. We're fixing it. What's this here? Button list selected, requires non-get key. Requires non-new, else get, huh? Else use item. You get resource key. This gives me an optional, right? Wait. What? It's not for the same type. Why do you allow this? This is so confusing. I hate Java. What the hell is? How is this allowed? Get a resource key. It's like not even the same thing. What am I even doing here? item to string selected is a hash set of items that are already figured out. Oh yeah, I should use the get optional one. So this can be simpler. When did I set up select? Set a stream, set a contain, set a add item. Okay. I don't see why I need this here. So item to string. This is wrapping the whole thing. I don't understand, but it looks good. Should have used Perl. Writes mod in JavaScript, which you can do, by the way. There's a library called Cube.js, which essentially creates a modding API on JavaScript. I try it. I don't like it. I don't think it's feature complete. Okay, so this item collect list set filter. I need to find the get resource key here. And I think I can do if present or else. But this doesn't map. Can't map or else. Or else I can do. You know what? F you, I'm gonna crash the game. I would directly get key and ignore every error. To string. Done. Yo, new bot message just dropped. I'm gonna keep this one. Don't click on it, obviously. Then I'm write a new thing to it. Okay, I can now do this here. This is basically the same stuff. You know, Java used to be this cool programming language, and then it's... How quickly did people find out it's so bloated? Was it quick? I mean, at one point it was one of the languages for the web. Can't imagine if it's still the case. Okay, I think I fixed every error. So let's see. I didn't think you used the iPlatform helper, which is crazy. Service not needed. Don't do this. I don't need this at all. This is the entire thing. Okay. It's compile time. Now, two things is gonna happen when I compile it. Either my RAM explode or it doesn't work. So let's find out which one that is. I'll be surprised if it compiles at all. I mean, there's no syntax error. There's no more errors as it's shown. But I think there will be some Grado stuff that is horrible to fix. Let me check if the archive name is correct first. Does it have anything? Did they apply? Okay, they apply the plugin here, but they load that outside and apply force. Oh, so you can, so everything is kept. Okay, that's actually pretty smart. I'm gonna follow them. ID multi-loader loader. Hopping open on the white hot sand. It comes up for me. Fresh chicken from another tree. Apply force. It seems that I didn't do that before. Yeah, you don't do that before, which is interesting. So I'm gonna fold myself and not do that. Alright, compile. Go. Prepare to crash. Okay, fabric seems to be working. Forge seems to be working. Oh, never mind. It's not even compiling. What am I saying? Build fail. What wrong? Error. This doesn't exist. What is this? What are you looking at? Oh, I haven't fixed. I haven't fixed the main class at all. Oops. I forgot. I never fixed the main class. FML stands for Forge Mod Loader, or fuck my life. Config load. I just need that now. Extension, register extension, display test. What the heck is that even doing? Nobody knows. Delete these, delete all this. Done. Compile. Configuring. Configure done. Now compiling. Come be fine. My main concern is on the Forge branch. Up fail. Which one? Error cannot find symbol. I have dealt with this error a few days ago on a different mod. Where did you fail? You cannot find nullable. Are you serious? Fine. Don't have that. Package Java X notation doesn't exist. Fine, you won't get it then. It's just that. That's on Fabric. No comment. Warning, no comment. Oh my god. No, I don't care. AI can fuck off and not use my commenter code for training. Don't freaking data poison them. Okay, Fabric is going. Fabric is done, I think. Now it's doing Forge. And it fails, which this time what happened? You failed, task Forge process resources. Did not copy file. Forge source main to this? Oh, because I have it on the wrong thing. Question mark? Northwest reacts. I don't like reaction content. What's happening here? No copy file. Missing property. Forge loaded version range. I see this one. I don't need mixing here, so I should remove that. Surface is also not needed. Sorry, I'm just getting mad. Flinging random swears here and there. Okay, we need forge stuff. Does it have that? Forge loader version. Didn't I added that? Oh, this has nothing. Oh, this I haven't even fixed this. What am I doing? This is 8.0.0. Forge loader version. It should read that. Forge loader version. Oh, range. No, you're correct. Missing property, forge loader version range. Are you sure? Defined key. It does not see forge because I didn't import. Oh well. Did I? I don't know anymore. What just happened? Build again. This is like 1/2 of what I'm trying to do today. What failed this time? Still the same thing. Can I copy this to that? We're still missing that. Are you not reading my Gradle properties? Forge loader version. Alright, I'm gonna copy this and not really. Where's the replacement? Actually, don't know. Measure for the name of the project. Forgot about that. Oops. Oh yeah, I need to change this name as well. Why does this not work? It's like it's just not seeing this. Yeah. Define keys. It's not seeing the forge stuff. It's missing both these two, the Forge version and Forge Loader version, which is very weird. I wonder where the generation happens. So it says configure each name variants. Each variant configuration name this configure attribute loaded attribute forge. Let's see what's different here. Help. Speaking of which, I've been sending my friends all ER. It was very fun. I don't know what it's not reading. Are you reading anything at all, Mr. Forge Builder? No candidate found is cool. Settings include Forge. Include build logic. Include Forge. Build Gradle. Force import. Try again. It's failing. Still the same missing things. Logo file. You know what? Let me try this. We change the order. Let's do Neoforge first and see if it works. This should compile Neoforge first, I think. Unless it's still somehow. Nope, it isn't. If I remove it. Neoforge is compiling. Seems to be working. Okay. So only Forge is failing. But how and why? Why are you so stubborn? Let's read the others and see. Project SS widener, blah blah blah. You don't have anything special. Using the multi-ID, multi-loader loader. Maybe this is a problem. Perhaps. Neoforge. I don't know what's happening. Help. Seems to be not read. Hold on, dying. Seems to just be not reading the root path, I think. Idea module. These are for run, so shouldn't matter. Publication. Destination. What is loader attributes? Some here. Some there. Maybe invalidate cache. Wrong button. Stop. Clear file system cache, clear VCS log, clear delete embedded browser engine, whatever. Do everything. Oh god, everything is hot. My CPUs are on full throttle. 100%. Still fair, awesome. Still the same thing. Still the same thing. It's just refusing to read those two. Why are you like this? Every field you add must be added to builds. Oh, thanks. If I just read, that would be so much nicer. Source, main, groovy, common. I see. All right. If I read like 2 more seconds, that would be very helpful. This should work then. Now, program one. Entry is a duplicate, but no, okay. because I didn't remove the common one. There shouldn't be anything I need to worry, so this. This as well. Keep it clean. Please work. It's working! Yippee! It compiled! Now it should be in... Not here, this is for the old one. To be scattered everywhere. This is the wrong thing. Delete those. And then here should be my Forge version. And then here should be my Neo Forge version. Yes! Let's run a test on the Fabric one, I guess. This is a mess. Remove some of the old things. Why is the Fabric one's not working? What if I'm running it anyway? Go. and not every warning, just do it. Just do it! Can I clean up all the configuration? Clean up configuration. Clean run configuration. I want to regenerate them. Permanent run. Modify run. Save. Vacation. Seems like I can only do Forge or Neo Forge. That's the new one. Can do old Forge run client, but Fabric is just completely broken. I guess I'll run Neo Forge then. 68%, we should be fine with RAM usage. Cannot create Java virtual machine. Unrecognized option. Well, RAM more. Oh, I'm using Java 11. I'm using the wrong Java, that's why. Is this correct? Nope. No, you're just 26. And I should probably add that to Gradle settings as well. Project SDK. Resync. Okay. That's done. Let's try again. It's loading. Hooray! And it's crashed because it didn't find the mixing. Because I don't have that. I have to remove that from mixing here. I have to rename my file. Remove the mixing here.
Oh, I see.
Huh?
Wait, no. Sure is peaceful here.
My talking flower said Chinese. Okay, with this here, forge, does the forge one have it? It does not. Okay. I would assume it also does because of how the template was set up. Fine. Go. Try again. Or actually the forge one doesn't add that here, maybe. Our RAM usage is at 18%.
Enable the narrator.
No. Okay. Hey, look, it's Sulfur Cube. Give me soda. I don't know, I like using free. TW. No. What the heck is this? Mods. Auto fish for everyone. Say loaded. Where's my overall? Oh, it's on different thing. Creative, allow command, fish. Fish! You know what that means? Fish! Game rules. I like to turn off weather and time. Alright, moment of truth, does this work? Very good chance I open up the... it crashed. Okay, the tech event's not correct. Cannot invoke get UID because Minecraft players know. This happened probably in the handler. Server do take. Because we are not checking if we are on client side. Okay. In that case, I may not even need the player object here. Whatever, it doesn't hurt. Add that. It should essentially check for client side. Then. Okay, loaded. First thing to find a water bottle. And then give myself a fishing rod and churn it. It's already throwing. Check the keybinds, is it working? Thing is broken. Wrong shot. Because I changed the mod ID. Makes sense, makes sense. We're gonna replace this with just autofish for now.
I wrote a Chinese translation, by the way. It's a while ago. Okay, so K open settings, auto replace, auto fish, blah blah blah. Let's test the boolean stuff first. Auto replace, raw protection, item filter, disable, enable, and then press K. Crash. No, not crashing. It's still fishing. Recast delay. It's flashing slightly. I think the item filter may crash me. No. No, I'm so good at... Oh my god. Okay, search is not working at all. It's great to know. Is this all? Everything? Feels so little. Where's the fish? Fish. Okay, so search function is broken. That one is working. Throwing too fast. Actually, item filter is not working. Does have item filter. See if it saves correctly. So many things you can. Filter is saved. So why is it not throwing it? Filter. Everything else is here. Pending reel in. And then next tick it reels in. When does it handle throwing? On fishing rod. The auto fish is always false. You are not wrong. But whatever. Should drop. Process drop, should drop item. When does this happen? This happens in processing drop. Should drop add item. Config filter. We know that searching is not working. Items before fish is not known. Check item. Pending recast. We are almost having it working. It's almost there. Oh my god. Let's fix the filtering first. So we're here. Match one, match path. Final arcs. Let's change this up. Use this instead. Oh, I think this is... Ah, this is using the... I didn't substring it. I see. Wait, no, it doesn't make sense. No. That doesn't make sense either. It's called 8 paths. It's empty. It's not empty. Mesh, yeah. Wait, what? This makes no sense. Should just initialize this to false. What was I doing? I'm so confused about myself. What's that? What's my thought process when I was younger? Alright, match mod to look, we already did that, we pre-processed it. And then match mod, get namespace to lowercase contain mod. We make that match. The item tags. For each tag, we find any item is the same. Okay. For arc, we also lowercase it already. I don't have any path contains it.
10 a.m.
And I'm using and here. I see now. I see why I need that to be true. So tag is most of the time empty. That's why that's happening. For consistency, I'm gonna do this. Oh no, we don't do it. So if we add an and here. Oh, or I mean, this should match. Boom, boom. Hopefully it works. Why is my RAM at 77? I think NeoForge is not very good at cleaning up. Okay, keep in mind there are 4 Java processes right now. Let's launch one and see. Uh-oh. Oh god. We now have 5 Java processes. Alright, I'm gonna start killing them. There we go. My stuff went. My thing went back down to 64% RAM usage. Alright, I need to change this thing. Some of it is using the wrong things. Wait, is it? The object. It will create key object. It's the button setting screen. There. This is the one that is wrong. It's 10 a.m. What's my plan today? I want to make animation. I think this is pretty good progress on the project. So, not gonna fully stick to this. Although we didn't get to the second part, unfortunately, which is to add multi-version. Where's my stuff? Did it not save? I checked it, it was saved before. That means it's not added to the list, that's why it's not working. Oh, it's here, but it's not being loaded because I didn't add loading code. I just remembered. Good job, Northwest. I didn't add the freaking loading code. Oh my god. Alright, did I add this here? It is safe, so it should be added. Key pressed, button pressed. Where's my save button? The done button. Where's your handler? Screen and show parents. Wait. Does it never save? New usage of filter. Set filter items. Oh, okay. Oh, add is the button. Oops. See, even I forgot what I wrote down. Okay, let's actually add the loading thingy here. Good. As filter. Get as JSON array. Filter. S list. Map. Get as string. To list. Set that to filter. He's a big dummy. Okay, now let's debug the other thing. Java, it's happening again. Kill them all. Do we ever check all filters? No. It's useless. Alright, I'm finding bugs everywhere. Did I really delete it? Let's check an older version. because it was working on the Forge, on the new Forge one. I tested it. It is the item filter. In this file, it's here. That's the wrong one. Config enable filter. Send a message. So it's never used? What the actual... Huh? Items before fishes, no. It's not throwing away the stuff. Let's test the searching real quick. Alright, search chest. It's loaded. Let's find line. That works. And Minecraft. That doesn't work. Awesome. And everything is broken now. Tag, it's also not working. Okay, so only... Okay. Only normal search works. Fish and a puffer. It's not trying to throw still. Turn up the recast. 40, 60. It's not trying. Let's take a look at Y and kill all this guy. Kill them all. You know, I think I will end stream after fixing the drop thing. And now we'll figure out Stonecutter on my own. Because that's definitely gonna take longer than this. Whatever I'm doing here. Drop item. Check item. Let's dry run it once. So let's say we just reeled in. Pending reel equals true, so next tick we reel in. After reeling in, we take larger than reel in delay. After reeling in, does this fine hand basically it does a right click and then it pending recast afterwards. Check tick. When is this useful? This is check interval. If check tick is larger than 0, we minus that. If not, pending recast. Then we recast it. Last tick fishing. Maybe it's as simple as turning up the check delay. Oh no, check info is for checking if the fishing rod is casted. No, that's not what I want. That's not the one I'm looking for. I have to find out when it drops. Processing drop. This is set up. Pending, okay, pending recast if take larger than delay. Check item. If we processing drop, then we do something here. Items before fished is no. We set this last tick fishing here. So it should not be no. Items before, wait no. If last tick is fishing, and this tick we are not fishing, we collect the items we have. And then set this to last tick fishing is we're fishing. Items before fish. Fish! So when we check item, we should check this from. It's good chance this is not working then. Bro is the program. Yes, I am the program. So mic broken. Yes, I am the program. Nah. It's 10:18. Yup. Built-in get reference is empty. Continue. So I am guessing this is where it's broken. What do you think? Did I explore her yet? No. She's still here. Sorry. Items before fish. We check item is here. After recast delay. So we should get the fish, check the fish. Nothing happens. Those who know. Filter is here. It seems right. So we should be able to parse that. Parse that here. Becomes identifier. And then find that. Stack gets item equals that. Let's do a get option. Do a logger. Processing I old this versus new. Old is this. New is this. Put this down here. Does it collect? Delicate glass in ice. Old cans, new can, I am dying, goodbye. Bagasa is green and in between. He has no R and B. Riches and Throw? Okay, cherry cast there. Fish up something. Here comes the fish. It's a bone. So if you don't know what this mod does, it auto fish. I'm not using my hands at all. It's not throwing, does it process? Processing item code. It did not check the code correctly. It's pending recast. But I only checked once. Let's do one more and see if it checks this one. Okay. It does check that one. Processing item raw code old 9, new 9. We grab the infantry as soon as we real. Are we fishing too fast? We should get the infantry while we're reeling in. This happens on the same tick. The real in action is the click action. So let's do that. Copy the player infantry items before God. Caps. Items before fish equals player dot infantry. Get infantry. I'll grab that again. Get non-equipment items. It's a long list. Is it a reference issue? It could be a reference issue. That's annoying. Maybe I should map that myself then. Let's try that. This can be reference issue. Like the item stack, I don't own the item stack, so when it updates again. So then nothing gets thrown. Let's make this final. Map, item, identifier, probably better. I should stop the client. I'm gonna blow up my RAM. Identifier and integer. Integral. Items before fished. This is a map. New hash map. Okay. This I don't care anymore. We've hooked that into real in. So I should replace it. Okay, fine. Player get infantry, get non-equipment items for each. Stack, do this. Add to item before fish. Insert, not insert. Insert Rust. Puts is Java. Get item. Get item name. I can't directly get the thing here. Either handle here. Stream item set equal. Just compare the item. Can I get your location? Dox yourself. ID. No ID. Resource. Location. Fine, get item. They don't have those convenient stuff anymore. Toostring may work. I don't know. Get registered name. I think that can work out, maybe. Put that in there. Put the size, can't. We can grab the resource location here. Get key. Get key. If this has anything. Then we oh, they can have multiple stack, I forgot. Hold on. Compare with present. The key by function. It's a double thing. And then return an integer. What does compute do? Compute present. Get key, stack item. By function. So it should be the RL, the cons, return an integer. Cons plus stack cons. What the heck do we get from this? We get the integer back. Or null if none. But integer can't be null. So this sucks. So never mind. This thing sucks! You're gonna lose points for this. So let's just check if it contains key. RL. If it contains the key, then we update it. I can just do get or default real quick here. Get here default to 0 plus stack cons. Put that back in. Hell yeah. Okay. Much better. So now here we do the same thing. Get or default 0. Wait, what's this? I don't clear it. I was almost a dummy. Item is the current item of the player. So to find all items with the same. Oh no. Map to that, or else 0. Then we don't even need. Do we need item anymore? This is for this. It does read it correctly, so it should be fine. Alright, try. Am I gonna run out of this space for recording? Again. This stream is really long. Fish. Alright, go. Load this space. Uh-oh. I just got a wrong warning. Come on, be a fish and throw it. Yes! What's happening? Wrong hand, and yo, they're fish and fishing. Somehow it's working. Doing it in the wrong hand. Huh? I think I'm switching too fast.
Perfect weather for a nap,
threw my rod out there. What is going on there? That was so bugged. Alright, you know what? I'm gonna fix this on my own. There's still another freaking logic I have to go for. So, yeah. Alright, anyway, thank you very much for watching. I hope you have a good day, good luck, and goodbye.